Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to do the simulation of Zener voltage regulator using LTSpice. Voltage regulation is basically of two types, line regulation and load regulation. In line regulation, the source voltage is varied in steps or the input voltage is varied in steps by keeping the load resistance constant. So for every step change in input voltage, output voltage is analyzed. So for line regulation analysis, the graph will be drawn between input voltage and output voltage. On the other hand, in case of load regulation of Zener diode, input supply voltage will be maintained constant and the load resistance will be varied in steps. So in load regulation of Zener diode, the output voltage of the Zener voltage regulator circuit will be analyzed for every step change in the load resistance, and here the graph will be drawn between load resistance and output voltage. Now let's see how to do the simulation of Zener voltage regulator as line regulator and load regulator using LTSpice. Open LTSpice, go to File, open New Schematic. New window will appear. Now in order to design a Zener voltage regulator, we need input voltage source, two resistors, one is series resistor, another one is load, then we need a diode, Zener diode. So I will start with source. Here you can type battery and select the battery, place it, escape, then go to resistor. We need one load resistor. I will place this resistor here, and we need one for series resistor. So this resistor need to be rotated. In order to place it in the circuit properly, use Ctrl R to rotate the resistor, place it where you want, then press escape, go and select a diode. Diode need to be upside down, so use Ctrl R twice and place it. Then we need a ground. All the components are selected. Now we need to connect them all. Use the wire to connect them. Connections are done for the Zener voltage regulator. We are going to analyze the line regulation of Zener voltage regulator in the first case. So the voltage need to be varied in steps, that I will explain later. Now we are going to change the values of the other components in the circuit. This one I am going to put 220 ohm. Then this one I will select 1 kilo ohm. In case of line regulation, the load resistor value will be maintained constant, so I am using 1K. Diode need to be selected. We need to use Zener. I am going to select a 10 volt Zener diode. I mean the Zener diode which is having a breakdown voltage of 10 volt is what I am going to select now. That means the output voltage appear across the load resistor should be 10 volts even if the input voltage is more than 10 volt, and below 10 volt it will be proportional to the, or it will be similar to that of the input voltage which we are applying. So we just have to scroll down and I will select this EDZP10B Zener. Now the Zener change. So we need to change the parameter. I am planning to do the simulation of the circuit by varying the voltage from 0 to 30 volt in steps of 3 volt. So we need to change the parameters here. There are several ways to do it. In this case I am going to do it in a very simple way. So first thing I will do is that I will change this DC value as 0. So this will be changing into 0. Then you can go to simulate and you can select DC sweep here. You can select DC sweep here in the simulation command table. Then name of the first source to sweep is V1. So you can write here V1. Type of sweep should be linear. Start value is 0, stop value is 30 and increment is 3. So the settings are done. You can click OK. Now it is showing the window here. You can see that a graph is appearing with the values of 0, 3, 6, 9. As far as it is similar to what I have applied. Now you can click on simulate and use your cursor. So we need to analyze the voltage across the load resistor. So just to place it here, you can see until 10 volt output voltage, until 10 volt the voltage is increasing along with the input voltage variation, and when the output voltage reaches 10 volt, then it is maintaining constant irrespective of the input voltage you are applying to the circuit. So you can copy this circuit and use it for your reporting purposes. This is how the simulation of line regulation of Zener voltage regulator is performed. Now we will see how to do the simulation of the load regulation of Zener voltage regulator. Go to File, create new schematic, select the components. We know that we need a diode, 2 resistors, one for load and one for series resistor. Select them all, place them as you want, a ground and also a source, type battery. So you will use the same parameters. Now connect them all. Connections are done. We need to apply the values for the components. Here we are going to analyze the load regulation of the Zener voltage regulator. Therefore the voltage will be constant, input voltage will be constant. I will apply 24 volt here. Series resistor value remains unchanged, 220. I have to change this to Zener diode of 10 volt. So I will select EDZP 10B, which is having a breakdown voltage of 10 volt. Now this is changed. Now we have to change this parameter. So this time we have to do it in a different way. This is another way to do it. I will show you how to do this. So click on .op here, spice directive, then type dot step param, stands for parameter, type RL 0 1000, and we will change this in steps of 100. So this means I am going to change the name of this resistor to RL. RL value need to be changed from 0 ohm to 0 to 1000 ohm in steps of 100. That is one thing you need to know. Now just to keep it here, right click and use a curly brace, change this name to RL. This name and this name should be same, otherwise it will not work. So I have changed the name to RL and you must put a curly brace. That's okay. Now we need to do one more thing. Now go to simulate and here you need to write .op. So it will change to DC operating point. Okay, you have to type .op. That also will appear in your circuit. Click OK. Then you can move it if you want, or you can move this one. It's not mandatory to move it, but you can still move it. So the only change is that, like it should not be 0. So you can put 1000 and 100. So it will change in terms of 100 ohm. You can see from here that it is varying in terms of steps. So we need to do the analysis by maintaining the input voltage constant, and we are varying the load resistance. We want to analyze the voltage output across a resistor. Put a probe here that will plot your graph. So you can see that until it reaches 10 ohm, it is increasing with respect to the variation in the load resistor. But once it reaches 10 ohm, irrespective of the changes you are applying to the load resistor, the voltage is maintained constant. So this way, the Zener voltage regulator as a load regulator is also maintaining constant voltage output across the load, irrespective of the variations in the load resistor.